Welcome back. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back inside of our product inside of ClickFunnels. We're going to click the settings, and then we're going to scroll all the way down to our product, and then we're going to edit the product. What we're going to do now is we're going to click fulfillment email, and then we're going to grab all of the copy that we put together in our notepad file, and we're just going to copy all of this information, and then we're going to place it inside of this box. And then we're going to scroll down, and what we're going to do is we're going to determine the thank you page. Now in this case, we want to match the product that we're actually selling. And in this case, we are selling the access to the membership area. So what this does is this means that the person who buys this product is going to need to use their login and password. Now, if they're already a member of that site, they won't need to get a new one. However, if they aren't, they're going to get a login and password that will allow them access to the site. What we're going to do now is we're going to click Update Product. And we're going to click Save and Update Settings. Now what we're going to do is we're going to now go to our membership area, and we're going to take a look at Coffee Manual Bronze, and we're going to restrict access, and we're going to restrict access to specific product. What we're saying when we do this is that only those who have purchased the product at this point through JVZoo are going to have access to this section. We're now going to click Update Lesson section. And now Coffee Manual Browse is restricting access to only those who have purchased through our JVZoo buy button. Now one thing that we may want to do is we may want to collect leads. And in order to do that, we're going to click this settings button. And then we're going to go back inside of our product. We're going to edit that product. And then we're going to use email integration. And we're going to integrate from this point. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a list inside of our MailChimp account. We're going to have the person added to the list. We're then going to have the list placed here. And then we're not going to have this person sent a confirmation. Now again, we're probably going to need to alert our autoresponder company that we are using an API. Now some autoresponder companies don't need a telephone call. However, both GetResponse and Aweber do. So make sure to check with your autoresponder company. Once you have that information in, you'll then click Update Product. And then you'll click Save and Update Settings. Now right at this moment, you can sell this product from any page. It doesn't have to be from a ClickFunnels page. The only thing it really needs is going to be your JVZoo product buy button. So as a result, we can create a sales page inside of ClickFunnels, and we can then have our JVZoo buy button added. So to do that, we're going to click Add New. We're then going to click Classic Funnel Builder. We're then going to click Sell Your Product. We're then going to click Sales Funnel. I'm going to give this product a name, and we'll then click Build Funnel. Now because this process is being managed by JVZoo, we're not going to need the squeeze page. We are not going to need the order form. We're not going to need the confirmation. What we can keep is the thank you page, and for right now we're going to leave this step in. So now what we're going to do is we're going to select our sales page template. And what we're going to do now is we're going to edit our page. And what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to have one buy button for JVZoo. So for now, what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of all of the other content. And we're going to add in an element. We're going to add in a new section. And we're going to make it a medium-sized section. we're going to add in a new row. And then we're going to add in a new element. Now in this case, we're going to add in an element that allows us to put in HTML code. And we can select that box here. And now our custom JavaScript is now in this area. And we can now click Save Page. So what we need now is we need the buy button code from JVZoo in order to add to our page. So we'll need to head back to JVZoo. And when we come back to the page, we'll need to grab the buy buttons. And then what we'll need to do is we'll need to grab the code. So in this case, we'll take all of this code, copy it, then we'll head back to ClickFunnels. We'll then click inside of our box for the settings. We'll then open the code editor, and then we'll place our custom code. We'll then save our box, and when we preview the page, we'll see that our buy button is there for someone to purchase. Now we'll need to center that button. And if you know a little HTML code, all you'll need to do is to center this code. Then you will save it again. You'll save again. And then we'll need to just make sure that the code is now centered. And we see that it is. And our JVZoo process is now complete and now ready for someone to make a purchase. When they purchase, they'll then be given access through JVZoo, and then our email will be sent to them automatically, giving them access to our member area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.